In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Security. Then tap on App Lock and choose Enable. Now you need to decide if you wish to use your lock screen password to lock your apps or create a custom PIN only for app lock. I will tap on Custom PIN just to show you. So now I get to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Now you need to answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it and pick one of those. If you don't like any of them, you can always tap on the question, scroll all the way down and click on Custom Question. Then create your own. To save it, hit OK and remember to answer it correctly below. Then choose Finish. Now you can tap on OK in Use Face Recognition pop-up and this way unlock your apps using your face data. If you don't want to do that, tap on Cancel. Finally, to lock any app, tap on gray switcher next to it and go back. So when I try to access one of mine, as you can see, custom PIN is now required. To disable app lock from those apps, go back to the same settings, enter your login method or custom PIN, and click on blue switchers next to your previously locked apps. To disable app lock completely, click on this blue switcher next to app lock feature, select disable and enter your login method one last time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!